I made a video on Creative Cloud tutorial, but that video is outdated now. In this updated video, we'll see the new Creative Cloud tutorial. So, let's get started. We'll quickly install it. Go to the official website and click the download button. Open the setup and sign into your Adobe account if required. Then wait for the installation. Here we go. We have the app ready. Both the left and right sides are the navigations. The top center has app shortcuts and we'll see the apps as we install them. The bottom part is covered with your Adobe files saved online. We'll talk about that soon. To install an app, go to the apps interface. Here you'll find the apps available in your plan. Also apps to try and more apps from Adobe. In each app card, you'll see the supported platforms. We can install the latest version by clicking the install button. To explore the older versions, click this menu button and then other versions. We can install any version from here. I'll install a few apps now. You can see the progress here and on the home interface. We can open an app by clicking it, but it will be easier to just search for it in the Windows search bar. App updates are automatic by default. Also, Creative Cloud likes to take all the internet. So if your internet is not good all of a sudden, check Creative Cloud to see if any updates are undergoing. To see the updates or the apps that are currently updating, click Updates from the right. You can check for updates as well. An app can be uninstalled from the Apps menu or from the Windows control panel. With AI and stuff, people have been downloading beta apps. To see the available apps in your plan, click Beta from the top. Then click the Install button to install one. When a beta app is installed, the default app is replaced. For example, we see the Photoshop blue icon, but when you install the beta app, you'll see a white icon. Also, the beta app will replace the official app in the Open With menu. Let's talk about your Adobe files. Adobe gives cloud storage and we can upload and access files from here. All the files you see here are uploaded from Photoshop, as Photoshop supports saving them online. We can click this plus icon to upload files as well. However, it only supports Adobe apps files such as PDF, Photoshop and Illustrator. Previewing files, renaming them, deleting them and opening them in apps is possible from here. Also, we can share those files with anyone. Depending on the set permission, users can see and download those files. You can see the files shared with you here. So these were the significant options. Now we'll cover some other important features of the app. Users can search for Adobe stock assets. Choose the category and type in the search bar. It opens a web page in your browser, but they made this interface, so I thought of covering it. We can also manage fonts in the app. Click the fonts icon to see all the installed fonts. The green dot suggests that this font family can be accessed in any app on your PC. The blue dot means that this font family is only accessible in the Adobe apps. However, we can install a family to use it in all the apps by clicking the install button for that family. If you have a font file, go here and drop it to access that font on your computer. Lastly, if you have access to the Adobe Fonts website, click the Add Family button to automatically activate that font on your PC. Many Adobe apps support plugins. Go to the Apps menu from here and click Plugins to see the available options. Choose the app from the left and then browse the library. Click Get to install a plugin. The preferences are here. We can manage when Creative Cloud will launch and run. Also adjust auto updates for each app from this app screen. Just uncheck the app here that you don't want to auto update. Other small things are here and there and those will come with the practice. This is the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Take care.